Hey guys! Electronic drums are a new kind of drums that is more advanced and offers more functionality than a traditional drum set. With an electronic set, you get a wide array of digital sounds that can be changed to suit different styles of music. If you're shopping for a drum kit, then stick around because in this video, we're going to look at the top 5 electronic drum sets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best electronic drum sets. The 5th product on our list is the Yamaha DTX402K. This Yamaha is a complete kit that is powered by the DTX402 module. This module has 287 acoustic drums and percussion sounds with accent articulation for dynamic expression. The pads feature oversized 10-inch ride hi-hat and crash cymbals. All 3 offer a lot more than just choking functions. They provide greater playability, authenticity, and durability. The kit includes a Yamaha FP6110 belt drive drum pedal and a KP65 kick pad designed to provide an authentic kick drum feel. It comes with a free DTX402 app that allows you to operate and configure the drum set using your smart device. The Yamaha DTX402K is also compatible with free Rec and Share app for iOS users. It also allows you to record your sessions and share your performances on various social media platforms and forums. This kit provides 10 built-in interactive training functions, 10 kits, and 10 songs. Melodics for v-drum software for PC and Mac is also available for free download with the set. Its pros are, it can be configured via the free app. It is easy to set up. It supports the Rec and Share app for iOS users to share on social media. And it offers superior playability and excellent sound acoustics. However, it has no rim for snares. If you're looking for a high-end electronic drum set that's affordable and is ideal for beginners, then the Yamaha DTX402K is worth looking at. The 4th product on our list is the Roland TD17KV. The Roland TD17KV inherits Roland's flagship TD50 sound engine. It features an XLR stereo master out and 8 TRS direct outs, allowing this kit to have a balanced connection to a PA system. It has a wide range of 50 drum kits and a 12-inch dual mesh PDX12 snare. This set also includes the KD10 kick pad. The TD17KV provides quality and superb sound despite its basic components. It is easy to assemble, lightweight, and only occupies a small space. You can also customize the range of sound, making it an agile companion for music mastery. This drum set comes with a new TD17 drum module that offers a wide variety of sounds in different dynamics and diversities. It also has superb connectivity options, so it is compatible with sound connections like Bluetooth and AUX. And similar to the previous set, Melodics for v-drum software for PC and Mac is available for free download with the TD17KV. Its pros are, its sound elements can be mixed and layered. The drum kit presets can be customized, and it can import samples. However, its power supply may have some fluctuations. But if you want an electronic drum set with professional quality performance, the Roland TD17KV is an excellent choice to consider. Despite its higher price point versus its competitors, this set will not disappoint. The 3rd product on our list is the Yamaha DTX402K. The Yamaha is perfect for enhancing your drumming skills. This set is made up of a 5-piece with 3 cymbal pads, snare, 3 toms, a bass drum, hi-hat, ride cymbal, and crash. It has 10 built-in interactive training functions, 10 kits, and 10 songs. It gives you easy access to preset kits, including play-along songs, training modes, metronome, and tempo volume control. It has a wide range of drums that you can choose from, or just mix and match while you play. It also comes with 415 high-quality drum percussion sounds. If you want to alter your sound settings, you can download the free DTX402 Touch application. At the same time, it is compatible with the Rec and Share app for both Android and iOS. This set offers authentic sounds from its wide set of drums. Its wide dynamic range also makes it an ideal music companion. Its pros are: it is small and compact, ideal if you have limited space. It has a learning mode feature in its system, and an assistive application comes with it, which is available for both iOS and Android. However, this drum set does not come with a drum kick tower, only a pedal. The Yamaha DTX402K is your perfect companion for mastering your music talent. Not only is it top performing, but it is also an agile aid for both beginners and professionals. The second product on our list is the Donner DED200. The DED200 is an ideal electronic drum set for performers. It is suitable for live performances and recording studios. This set has over 225 timbres, with 30 demo songs that you can connect via MP3. It is flexible enough to adjust within 16 different drum kits, depending on your preference. The DED200 is an 8-piece configuration with 8-inch all-mesh drum heads to provide authentic quality of sound. It comes with a 12-inch injection molded silicone cymbals and is equipped with high-sensitivity custom sensors. The DED200 is designed using French Dream sampling technology. It uses digital technology to record the sound of real instruments and collect the sound quality of the original sound drum. It comes with efficient software algorithms and chip computing to avoid sound delay and repetition. It is compatible with an amplifier and headphones. The DED200 includes other helpful features such as a learning kit, easy access with the computer, and compatibility for recordings. Its pros are: it is perfect for aspiring performers and professionals. It can play a variety of genres. It can connect to MP3, computer, or phone. It is lightweight, so moving it around won't be a problem. And its components are durable. However, the replacement parts of this drum kit may be expensive. The Donner DED200 is a complete package electronic drum set for both amateur and professional performers. This feature-rich kit is an excellent music companion from practice to live performance. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top electronic drum set is the Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh. This is by far the most value-oriented electronic drum set on our list. Alesis is a well-known brand in making affordable electronic instruments. The Nitro Mesh is an agile drum set that's recommended for all types of drummers. But one thing worth noting about this kit is that it's a cheap electronic kit. You won't have the advanced features that you'll find on the top-of-the-line kits, but it sure does deliver beyond expectations. The Nitro Mesh is a standard 5-piece electronic drum kit with 4 drums, a kick pad, and 3 cymbals. It comes with 385 drum cymbal sounds, as well as a custom Alesis hi-hat. The included snare drum is a dual-zone pad that allows you to get different sounds from both mesh pad and the outer rim. It is an excellent set to have at home or on any studio. Perfect if you're a beginner who wants to improve their drumming skills in the long run. Its compact design is ideal for younger drummers who plan to establish a career in drumming. With this set are 40 drum lessons from melodics and 60 play-along tracks. It also includes a sequencer, metronome, and performance recorder. Its pros are: it is easy to set up, it offers a wide range of sound variations, and it can support both loud and medium sound range. And there is a double bass drum option. However, you cannot load custom sounds or samples. The Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh provides you with a wide range of sound from drums. It plays as if you're using an authentic set, and that makes it a great buy. And that's all for our top 5 electronic drum sets on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.